Hi YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a Lincoln 2 Plus President, brand new out of the box for Carl. Carl did this radio brand new, wanted to set us up with the works service, and so that's what we've done. We're going to start here at the receive. Start here at the receive. Let me get the volume turned up a little bit. Alright, we'll work our way down on this superb President receiver. Alright, negative 110 at 12 dB. And automatic squelch kicked in. Let's turn that off. Still hear the tone at negative 125. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so we'll go to the TX side now. We got power all the way up, and we're going to let this thing fly here. So, sorry man, I had a mosquito bite me a while ago. So anyway, we'll start at 50 kilohertz, move to 200. Well, maybe we'll move to 200. Looking good there. We'll go to 50 megahertz. Looking good at 50, 150, 200. These radios are pretty clean out of the box. Why do we show this stuff? To show you that we're giving you performance without introducing any stuff in the signal that could be, bad. That's why we show this stuff. So, I want to show you full power, which is about close to 40 watts PEP. That she's a definitely clean, pure signal. So, all right. Well, let me pause the video for a minute. We're going to get a mic on it. We'll be right back. Alright, so we're back with the Lincoln 2 Plus for Carl. Carl, we got your SR198 as requested. Sorry it took so long to get that in, man. They're kind of getting scarce right now. So anyway, well, scarce from our distributors anyway. So we'll start at sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. Hello, hello, hello. Good and clear. Alright, so we're going to move back to AM. Alright, the way we got this set up for you is we're about almost a 9-watt carrier. Almost a 9-watt carrier. All the way up, all the way down. All the way down, we give you a broad range of about half a watt. So, I'll go back all the way up. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll open this back up a little bit. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Check, check. Alright, so we'll listen to it. Hello, audio. Hello, radio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. President Lincoln 2 Plus on high power, high power, high power. Alright, we'll turn her all the way down. Hello, radio, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. President Lincoln 2 Plus on low power, audio, check, check. So there you go, that's low power and high power AM. Alright, Carl, we appreciate your business. We're going to get this boxed up and get it headed your way. Y'all stay tuned out there. We finally got our moving and running around done, and we're still going to be closed a few weekends out of this month of September, but we're blowing and going through the week, back open regular hours like normal, getting caught up. Got a 6-pill amp coming up, got a 12-pill, got an 8-pill, just a few amplifiers we got left. Not much, but that's what we got left. And got all that coming up. So y'all stay tuned on that stuff. Got a lot of radios coming up. You know, we're just going and going. So y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We're going to get out of here. Got to get back to the bench. Got several to do before we go home today. I'll see you.